last night I was just looking at the ranges of gold and silver. They've been very narrow. There haven't been many trades, but today we had this trade in SR counter trend 2. Also had the trade in SR counter trend 2 V2, 1 minute, 5 minute, and 15 minute. I took the base SR counter trend 2 and V2, so I traded 2 of those. Let's see, here is the trade on that, plus 975. Hypothetical results with slippage and commission are 950 on those. 950, I got 975, and there'll be some commission taken out of that. So I beat the hypotheticals because it's a $500 profit target, and we have 2 contracts, and we take out $25 slippage and commission. So that should be 950 after slippage and commission. So we'll beat that a little bit on silver with that trade. We've got 2 short soybeans and 1 long E-mini S&P as well. As you can see, the profits and losses up here. That's from the conservative portfolio. I'm going to show you that as well. So SR counter trend 2 E-mini S&P is long. You see some recent long trades there, and you have soybeans, which is short. The V2 1 minute is also short. So that's the update on the conservative portfolio, where we are today, and we had the crop progress report out, I believe, here, and so we'll see how this turns out. If there's some mean reversion, or if that turns out to gets stopped out. So I also want to look at the average daily ranges that I was looking at last night in gold and silver. So I'm flipping over to my research platform, which is delayed data, and you see silver monthly right here, and you see how the ranges have been narrow, and this plots the high minus the low, and you see we're at this point. Now the metals started trading electronically intraday in December 2006 right here, and we're at the lowest monthly range since that time, as it's been trending down. And so these narrow ranges, you can see the same thing in gold. I'm going to pause the video and pull gold. Here is the weekly ranges in gold through Friday. This does not include this week because we don't have a complete week. I shut this time frame off at last Friday because I wanted to include the full weeks that were already completed. And you see how narrow this range was last week, 14.3, and I put a blue line at 14.3 to see when this last happened, and it doesn't show up in the chart. We're going back to this time frame, 2008, and so very narrow ranges in gold and silver, and so we have not had as many trades in gold and silver in our SR counter trend strategies lately. And you know, when the price ranges are very narrow, not many trades are triggered because there's just not much movement to trigger those price ranges. So maybe we'll see a pickup in that pretty soon, as this can be cyclical.